Go! All right, comment on number one.
Too much pull through the arm, need more pull through the body. The bottom arm.
I would think that number one could use a little bit more catch.
Yes.
Bring it up, coach.
The upper arm was a little bit too thin. Try to mix it up. Don't let it just flop for 10. Let it flow through with your rotation.
And the body doesn't recover with the stroke though. Brace your boat, brace your boat. The body doesn't sit up with the stroke. Let's move on to number two. Number two is rock solid. I would say just the top elbow. You see it
Slip through the exit
on the right shoulder. Okay. And I think the left elbow also points down as the pull happens. That weakens the power of the top elbow when you start moving that. I like the rotation, love the reach. Very solid paddler. Next.
A little bit tense on the catch for number 3 through the right arm.
You would,
left arm. Both arms a little bit tense on the catch. Try to loosen up. Grab that catch through the body. More hip switch, huh? Yes,
more rotation from the hip. Also, I think the bottom arm goes way too high. Way too high on the return and the setup. Instead of grabbing the water straight. I think that's a lot more of the OC6 efficiency of the 6-man. Next one. Number 4. White.
White, okay. Looking up on the exit a little bit too soon. I'd say let that rotation flow through the top arm a little bit more.
I think the bottom hand is also holding the shaft a little too high. I think it can slide on a little bit. That will allow a little bit more control on the catch and on the pull.
And the back of this stroke, so you pull in with your arm instead of 100 minutes with your body, top hand pressure.
Think about the rooster tail. We're gonna do that drill maybe tomorrow for the exit, you know, for the lady in the white shirt. Next one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This would be Debbie. Chatfield. Yeah, that Debbie is leaning her right shoulder too far back. Allows for timing issues on the way forward, right? The rotation should happen more to the front rather than to the back, right? On the front end rather than the back end. Top arm solid, strong pull, strong use of body. Yeah, just coming back a little far. I would have her rotate and face the boat more than facing the water. Next one, number 6, Reyna. I would talk about the neck and the spine. I would look up. I would telescope, looking up. It allows the spine to stretch and be used more at the catch.
Well, this is the stretch of the top arm, especially that wrist.
Yeah, the wrist is holding the top of the T.
Kind of facing down.
Facing downward, and the tendency of that is really to push the blade down rather than push it down and in and forward to the stroke. Yeah, there's also a slight lean further back on Reyna. Other than that, blade angle's nice. Body movement is good. At least there's a big use of the body on that stroke. Okay, next one, number 7.
A little bit of pressure on the right shoulder as you plant. Try to have a little bit of plant. I get left shoulder too, a little bit plant.
I see that happening as a product of the choo-choo train on the exit. You can see the elbow super bent on the right elbow at the exit, and that allows for a higher higher blade return at the exit on the right arm, rather than just going around and allowing the body to rotate to grab the catch. Lower, move the grip a little lower on the shaft. Top elbow could be extended a little bit more on the catch, so that you can just have a follow through throughout the stroke. Next one, lady in green. Speed 8 pad.
A little bit too much forward and back. Trying to rotate a little bit more. Don't let the spine control your stroke, but rotate a little bit more. Lifting up a little bit on the exit. Try to stay in the water a little bit longer. The body. Too much pressure. Arms moving a lot down.
Yeah, on the arm, there's too much pressure on the arm, stabbing it down. Yeah. This will cause bobbing on the OC one, yeah? Okay, last one on the right side. I would look at the blade depth on the catch. Blade depth, if you just be more patient on that catch, you'll be able to have a nice grip. Top arm, very solid. Body movement is solid. It's pretty good. I don't have much comment except for a little deeper blade on the catch. Oh, I see. Yeah.
Looks like it's not quite controlled.
And this is Melissa. You gotta fix her face. Let her run. I love her.